In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Mobile not opening. If the Steam app on your phone keeps crashing, freezing, or refuses to open at all, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes you can try, and in most cases, one of these will get the app working again. First, update the Steam app. Older versions of apps can become buggy over time, especially after your phone's operating system updates. To check for an update, open your App Store, search for Steam, and look for the update button. If you see one, tap it and let the app finish updating completely before trying to open it again. This is the quickest fix, and it's always a good place to start. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to clear the app cache on Android. Temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, and that can stop the app from launching properly. Open your phone's settings, then go to Apps or Applications. Tap Manage Apps and find Steam in the list. From there, tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing data may sign you out of the app, so you may need to log back in afterward. If you're using an iPhone, the process is a little different. Since iOS doesn't offer the same cache clearing option, the easiest way to clear app data is to delete the app instead. Finally, reinstall the app. A fresh install can fix damaged or incomplete app files that may be causing the issue. Press and hold the Steam app icon, then tap Uninstall or Delete. After that, go back to your App Store and download Steam again. Once the installation is complete, open the app and check if it's working normally. Try these fixes in order, and your Steam mobile app should be up and running again.